Hello, we are on the last day of this week, the introduction to division. Now we've learned some basic division, and so we're going to use that to do some word problems with division. These are the 5 pages I would like you to do this week. We're skipping a couple in between. You could certainly do them all, but these are the ones I'd like you to do. And page 63 is one that I want you to show me on Zoom, or send me a photo of it. Or also I wanted to let you know that I will not be doing the Zoom on Thursday. I have a school event to attend, and Marianne will be doing the Zoom at 4 o'clock on Thursday. So you will either show me on Wednesday or Marianne on Thursday, or send me a picture. So starting with page 57, it is writing number sentences. And this is where in the box they show you the key words that mean division or to divide. So when we divide, we think of splitting or sharing or making equal parts. Equal parts, shared equally, split. Something new here is each or one. How much for each or how much for one? Like I paid this much for 3 of them. How much will I pay for one? That's a division problem. And per. Per also means one. You know, how much do you make per hour? You made this much in a day. How much will you make per hour? So the good thing to do here is to go through each problem and identify the keywords like divided equally. That tells me I need to divide. Shared equally. That means I need to divide. How much was he paid per hour? There's that word per that tells us we're looking for 1. So we will divide. So page 57, we're going to skip 58. We're going to move to 59. This is a very important page to think about the remainder. Here are 2 examples of the 2 different types of problems you will see on this page. And they both involve using remainders. This one is she's making curtains. Each curtain uses 4 feet. She has 13 feet of material. How many curtains can she make? She can make 3 curtains with a remainder of 1. This one remainder can't make a whole curtain, so we're going to drop the remainder. We can't use part of a curtain. We need a whole curtain. So the answer here is 3 with dropping the remainder. On this one, we're talking about kids, and we're transporting 100 kids, and each bus holds 40 kids. So we're making groups of 40. Out of 100 kids, we would make 2 groups, and there would be 20 kids left over. Well, we can't leave any kids behind, so here we're not going to drop the remainder. Instead, we would round up to the next number. So instead of 2 buses, we would need 3 buses. So for each answer here, you will give your answer first with the remainder, and then you will decide, do I drop the remainder because it's not needed, or do I need to round up and include the remainder in my final answer? A very important page. Page 60, using the correct numbers. You've seen a lot of these throughout these books where they give you extra information. So each problem will have 3 pieces of information. You only need 2 pieces, 2 numbers to answer the question. So determine which one is the extra piece of information, circle it, and then use the remaining 2 to answer the question that they asked. So that's page 60. We're skipping 61. We're going to 62, which is mixed multiplication and division. This page will have some problems that require multiplication and some that require division. So you really need to pay attention to the key words like altogether. If you're putting something all together, making groups, making big groups, you probably need to multiply. But this one is a log with 24 feet, must be cut into 8 equal pieces. Each piece will be how long? So we're looking for how much for 1, and we're also breaking or splitting the log up. So that is a reason to divide. So when we talk about each one, we're dividing. So find the key word that will help you decide whether you multiply or divide. The last page, page 63, is the one you're going to show me or send to me. On the top, there are 4 blanks. Each blank has one of these answers. You only use each word once. You're either filling in the word addition, the word subtraction, the word multiplication, or the word division, whatever one it matches to. So which one finds the difference between 2 amounts? You put the word there. Down below, pay attention to the directions. Do not solve. We don't need a number answer. Put in plus, minus, multiply, or divide.